Annyeonghaseyo, this is Teacher Jen of Zakdos. So we actually received 1,000 pesos from Dongjunin for our snack in practicing our mission song. So this is the mother of Arisha, where cook, and I also requested her to cook our snack. So this is pancake and this is gulaman. So she also provided plastic cups. So I don't know if this is really 1,000, but yeah, I did request that 1,000 worth of snack. By the way, this is 1,000 from Dongjunin. That is for our snack today. Kamsahamnida. So we are ready for our practice of mission song. Dongjunim, kamsahamnida.